Okay, we're going to build a pivot table using the VA data set that we've been using in class. Here's the station ID, name, all of these labels. We did the percentage change, this percentage of total calculations for each of the day categories as well. Start the pivot table. You first want to define your whole area, the top row and the bottom row, goes down to row 57. Click on data and it brings up pivot table. This is saying use a table or range in this workbook. It's just asking what is the range of data that's supposed to be covered in the pivot table. We've already defined it from A1 to AF57 in a new worksheet. Okay. This is the pivot table builder. All of these labels correspond with the labels in your spreadsheet. We're building a crosstab in this grid here. That's basically what's going on. So first thing we want to do is drag the name to columns. Once again, you just grab the name to column. You can put it in columns or you can put it in rows. The layout's going to be more convenient for us if we just do it in columns, because we just have 2 columns, Fayetteville and Little Rock. Let's put some stuff in here. Let's look at the dates. Put the dates in rows. Now we have all the dates of our data lined up here with a grand total. And let's look at the percentage of appointments over 30. I'm going to drag that into values. Look at what it did here. It said sum of percentage over 30. So it's adding all these up. We really would like to get the average. So you can change the math by hitting on the I. Brings up this option. Click on average. To format it correctly, you would want to get a number, 2, and OK. Click OK. Now we have the average total for this entire time period. Excel has totaled this all up. This will really help you in trying to figure out trends. So what is going on here? The average for Fayetteville from 2014 to end of 2016 was 2% of all appointments were more than 30 days waiting. You can see how it's performed recently over that average. For Little Rock, the average is, more than 2.4% of all appointments were more than 30 days. You can see how it's performed recently. And then a grand total here. There's a lot more you can do with pivot tables. This is a good introduction, and we will deal with it more in class. Thanks.